Hi, my name is Martin Day, CEO of Safety Media. I am pleased to re-release this series of short video clips on fire protection equipment maintenance. These short segments are designed to teach key maintenance procedures and functions of fire protection equipment while referencing Safety Media's logbooks. We hope you will appreciate this segment on commercial cooking equipment.
On a weekly basis, walk by the hoods in your kitchen and visually check for cleanliness. Check for accumulations or dripping grease above open flames. If a fan motor begins to burn, then any grease present will become a fire hazard. Hoods and ducts should be cleaned twice yearly by contracted cleaners. The number will vary depending on how clean or dirty the equipment becomes. If all equipment is satisfactory, you are not required to fill in a remark. Use the remarks column for any observations that would require immediate attention. Make sure to sign your name in the space provided after you have filled out the report.
We hope you found this video interesting and helpful. Please sign up for our informative monthly newsletter, check out our online store, follow us on social media, subscribe to our channel, and contact us via telephone or email anytime. Thank you for watching.